Okay, so this problem is intentionally easy for this practice. If you need harder problems or if you just want to see a lot more challenging ones worked, there's a playlist and it has all of the stuff in the flipping and the times in and the everything. It's all in there. But you've already practiced with multiplying by a factor of 2. You've already practiced that. So this is just kind of like making sure you got the idea here when you're adding them. So we're going to use the two expressions right here to determine the overall K3 expression for that reaction up here. So I could either just jump to here and I could say K3 is equal to H2 squared times CO2 squared over H2O squared times CO squared. Or I could do like it says to follow the directions. And know that when I'm adding things, this is in the correct position, and then the water's in the correct position. So everything's in the correct position. And also this has a 2, that has a 2, the water has a 2, they have a 2. So everything's right to just be able to add the whole reaction together. H2O plus O2 is totally fine. And then O2 plus 2CO2 plus 2H2. And if you notice that those O2s cancel at this point, that's great. If you didn't notice, then you should notice when you put in the K expression. So what we're essentially doing is we're just multiplying those two times each other, and our oxygens are going to cancel. So I'm going to end up with CO2 squared, and then I'm going to also put these two in on top, times H2 squared times O2. That's my numerator. I just took the numerator there, there, and there. And then I'm going to put my denominators in. So then I've got CO squared times O2 times, and then here's what I've got on the bottom of that one, the H2O squared. And then at this point I should see, oh, my O2s aren't in there, and I can see that those match. So kind of in the way this one had two ways that you could have done it.